So Samsung has recently launched the Galaxy Z Flip 5. If you're considering buying it, you might be thinking, is the Galaxy Z Flip 5 waterproof? Can I go swim with it or can I take it to the beach? Let me tell you. When you think about the high-end smartphones, you usually have the flip phones with IPX8 rating and slab smartphones with IP68 rating. The IP68 rating is actually a measure of a device's ability to resist the ingress of water and dust. The first digit actually refers to the level of protection against solid objects like dust, while the second digit actually refers to the level of protection against liquids like water, fresh water. So IP68 rating typically means the device is completely dust tight and it can withstand being submerged in water up to 1.5 meters for up to 30 minutes. Now, certain manufacturers can go even deeper than that or longer than that, but basically this is the minimum. Now, the IPX rating, on the other hand, doesn't actually have any protection against dust because the first number is actually X, means nothing. The 8 is similar to the IP68. So in terms of water resistance, it's identical to the IP68, 1.5 meters for 30 minutes. Now, whatever water protection I'm talking about in fresh water, not waters like salt water or chemical mixed water or high temperature water like saunas or something like that. Samsung actually recommends you to not take your devices inside sauna for more than 10 minutes. Not just that, Samsung even recommends that you should avoid exposing your Z Flip 5 to water with high water pressure like showerhead, for example. That also means the normal splashes, the rain and stuff like that won't really affect the device at all. Now you might be thinking, well, can I take it to the beach or pool? Well, surely you can, but the sand can actually scratch the device's screen because those are soft, or it can damage the hinge mechanism. Then you might be thinking, what if I have dust inside my pocket or something like that? But don't worry, small amount of dust will not affect the device at all. Even though it doesn't have an IP rating for dust ingress, Samsung has actually worked hard on the hinge mechanism to have certain amount of dust resistant capabilities. One another thing, the seal over time might get hardened. That means it will kind of gonna be loose, and that means it will actually probably allow the water to get inside it. So this IP rating actually is good when the device is almost new. And yes, if you want, you can get some crazy cool wallpapers up on my website. A link down below. Until the next one, bye and take care.